Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at the iClever Jumpstart Power Station. Let's check it out. Now, this is the iClever ICJB21R 18,000 milliamp hour Jumpstart Power Station. And this is really a great solution for those of you who have a car or don't have a car, but just need additional power in the house. It is an emergency lighting solution because it has light capabilities. It will jumpstart your vehicle. It also has a built-in power bank that's going to provide you with the ability to power up all your electronic devices. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the applications or use cases right here. You can use it for your car. You can use it for obviously tablets or phones. Motorcycle jumpstart solution. I have a lot of cousins and friends that have bikes and love these because they're so portable. Definitely for your computer. If you have a boat, camera, again, electronics right here, all these different type of electronics, and then again, a variety of use cases that are somewhat redundant right here when it comes to yacht and ship, but you get the idea that it has a lot of flexibility and it's going to be able to be used in various scenarios. Now, this Jumpstart solution comes in a real nice package, and you have seen me review these in the past, and I'm a fan of these, a huge fan because of the application. My nieces, my nephews, cousins, all have these type of solutions and they swear by them. I do too. They work very well, and again, because they're so small and they play double duty, battery backup for your phone and for your car. If you have a college student that has to take a long commute, like my son did, then this is a great gift for them. If you have someone who's riding a bike, a motorcycle, like we talked about during the box overview, great option because it doesn't take up a lot of space. Again, instead of having one of those big old boxes like I have in my garage, this is much more compact. And let's see how compact this is. So we're going to go ahead and take this out of the box right here, and you can see right here, nice red, has a compass on it, has these LEDs that are going to be used for safety. Over here you have this information panel with your various controls here, ability to switch voltage based on use case that you're pressing, your charging ports, you have two charging ports, input here for charging. Again, here's your on-off for your Jumpstart solution. So here's where you would plug in your Jumpstart solution, and again, it's just going to give you a lot of flexibility here. So let's go ahead and get this thing going and see how it looks. Now, as soon as you flip this little switch here, so we'll go to off, we'll turn this on, you're going to get this LED is going to light up and it's going to tell you how much power you have left. Now, you notice here that in this output area, and let's go ahead and get a little bit closer so you can see this, there are multiple voltage numbers here. So this port that comes out has multiple outputs, and what you could do is by pressing this button, you can switch, and you'll see a change here to the different output that this port here is going to supply. Now, it does play double duty. You'll notice that you have a flashlight here, and then you also have an LED right here. Let's zoom out again, and now let's watch what's going to happen. If I press this twice, now I have this from a hazard perspective. If I am in my vehicle and I need support, I can use this to draw some attention. Pressing it twice will turn it off. Now I do have this light right here, and if I press and hold, and I'm going to press and hold that button, now I have a flashlight. Again, if my car breaks down or I just need to be able to notify someone that I need some assistance, I can use this. I also have different modes. So I have this like an SOS mode. If I press it again, I have this rapid flash. And then if I press it again, it turns it off. So multiple options depending on how you use that button. And again, here you can charge your smart devices as well using 18,000 amps of power. Now over here, you have a compass, which is also a nice little safety feature. It's very rugged, so you can see by that right there. And I like the fact that it has kind of like a grip right here. Now, for those of you who are really interested in specs, let's get closer here so we can see all the specs right there. So here you can see all the information about the actual device, capacity, cranking power, output, input. Again, everything that you need to know to make a great buying decision. But once again, I tell you, you can't go wrong with one of these units. Let's see what else was in the box. Now, in addition to the battery, you do have this information guide. Here you have a little plug that you can use to plug in to that port right there. Your power cord, right? you do have here, this is the plug that you're going to plug onto your car. Now, again, guys, I'm not going to connect this to my car because my car battery isn't dead. So if you ever jump started a car before, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is, if you haven't, is you take this part right here, open it up, you take this port, connect it here, and you notice how this lit up, and then you take this one here goes to the positive, this goes to the negative, and then all you do is crank. It's that simple. There's nothing else that you need to do. It just works that way. Now, in addition to having your jump start solution that we saw here, here we have some more options. First of all, this is that plug that you'd plug into this port. So remember how we had an extra port? You're going to plug it right here. So this is what you would plug into this port. So once you plug this into this port, now this is where it becomes incredibly flexible. Think about your laptop. Do any of these plugs look like your laptop's plug? Because if it does, then it's definitely supported. So this could be for a variety of brands based on the type of tip that you have and the accessory. I've used these even to power printers depending on the type of printer that you have. So that this tip goes plugged into this here, and then you are charging your device. Now here you have a micro USB charging cord, which is going to charge your smart device. Now over here, as we look at the USB ports that we have, you can connect a iPad, an iPhone, a Samsung device, an LG device, any smartphone literally to any of these plugs. Now, I don't see this supporting quick charging. These are standard charging ports, but in an emergency situation, this is better than nothing. You think about the folks in Puerto Rico and the fact that there's no power on the island. A battery backup solution like this is a significant lifesaver when it comes to being able to keep your electronics going to take on any kind of news or information that may be available on a radio. So very flexible, lots of charging solutions, the ability to even plug into your car and charge all your electronic devices. So this concludes my review of the iClever 18,000 milliamp hour battery backup solution that will power your electronic devices ranging from smartphone to tablet to laptop and jumpstart your vehicle. Great solution to have, definite must for anyone who travels in a car or just to have in the house for a power backup solution. If you have any comments or questions about this product, leave it in the comment area below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.